Hello, this is Nick from Dripper Labs, and the next thing we're going to do in this walkthrough is create your own account and get you logged in. So like I said, some of the features of Dripper Labs are still on their way, but the online creator, the next day delivery, all of that is fully live and you can go and do it right now, and that's what we're going to show you how to do. So the first thing you need to do from the homepage is follow the start creating link. That's going to show you here how many community spaces are available. We're adding community spaces all the time, so you should never really see the number run out. So the chances are that you're going to be able to see this button here, which is what you can click on to create an account, and you are minutes away from creating your first flavor. So create a handle, like your Instagram handle basically. So it has to be there's no spaces, maximum of 32 characters, no special characters except for a full stop, a hyphen, or an underscore. It's pretty much follows the format. Those of you that have a kind of Instagram following or an existing social media following may well want to just use the same handle. There are limitations. Don't do rude names and T's and C's. We'll explain that. If you go with something that you've used on an existing social platform, it will be fine. So that is the bit that when you create your own bottle, you'll choose the flavor name, and underneath your flavor name it will say by ... and that ... will be your creator handle. So choose wisely, because it will be written on your bottles. So you then need a first name and a last name, a valid email address. So the way it's going to work is obviously you'll get a welcome email, but when you first try and log in, you will get a verification code sent to your email that you need to type in. So don't use a made up email address. Enter your password, do that twice, and then we've got the T's and C's, so you can go and read all this stuff if you want, and you should, and once you've read it, you can then accept the T's and C's, confirm that you're over 18. On the newsletter, we do not intend on spamming you. We are going to only really let you know when really cool things happen, like new ingredients, new features that you should know about, and or of course when we do run promotions, you'll be the first to know about that. Please do sign up for the newsletter, and I promise you we will make sure it's always good value content. So when you fill in all of these parts of the form, that will light up your register button, and once you've registered you can then go on to log in. So let's do that bit next. Great. Once you have your credentials, you can come here. You can either click the already have an account link there, or what I like to do is go up and use the login here. So you'll get a pop-up. You can then, we're going to use the tutorials account today. If you do forget your password, we have a recovery account system, so you don't need to contact us. Click this link, put your email in from your account, and we will send you a recovery link that lets you reset your password and log in that way. The very first time that you log in with the platform, we will verify your email by sending you a code to your email. It's 6 characters. Enter that code in the following pop-up. You only have to do it once, and then you are good to go. So when we log in here, it should take us to our recipe book. It shows us that we're logged in as Dripper Tutorials, or whatever your name that you chose was, and we are ready to create our first recipe. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.